All right, welcome here. I want to go over how to set up your Connect Ed McGraw-Hill account because it can be kind of confusing. So you first have to open Connect Ed, the dashboard, okay? And then you'll get to a page like this once you've entered your passwords. Then it is time to import your students into your new classroom. If you have any new students, you want to add the new students first. So I'm going to go to import students over here. All right, now I'm going to download my student template and open it up on Excel. So now I want to put the last name. I'm going to look at my student list, and this is my new name. So I'm going to put Williams Eli. And then you can put it in middle initial if you want. You can put, if they're male or female, if you want. You can put the grade level. So this is grade 5, whatever their username is. Username, I often like to do the first initial and the last name. And it doesn't matter if it's capital letters or not. And then you choose whatever password you want for this. And it helps if you have a redemption code already because then you can just add them to your class already. So you go get your redemption code. All right, so now I need to save this. And then I am going to go back to this document and I need to upload this one. So I'm going to go choose file and choose the import students template, whichever one I was working. Now it is there. I have to now check file for errors. So you only do this with new students, no one else. Okay, and now I see that there is a problem with this. So I can't use this one. So I go back and change what the red part is. And then I'm going to go through this process again and import until it works. So I made my change. I went and I'm going to do choose file, choose the same file because I saved it again, open, and I'm going to check file for errors. And now the red is gone, so I can go back to the other file. Okay, so now I'm on the home page again, and I want to go and make a class. I'm going to go to my teacher edition and open it. Okay, now I'm going to go to manage and assign here at the top. Go to class details. Okay, now I'm going to go to create class over here on the right hand side. Here you're going to put whatever name is. Remember, this is going to be alphabetically, and so it's going to show up alphabetically in your list. So I like to make this one always the one that's going to show up first. I'm going to name it after my school year this time. And then I'm going to go to McGraw-Hill's suggested planner, and I am going to click next. And now it is time to plan out the calendar. So it helps to have your calendar on here and or beside you so that way you can figure it out. So once I've clicked my starting date, I'm going to click next. And now it is time to add in all my non-teaching days. So I'm going to do that and let you do that as well. Okay, and then you need to press save and you should be taken to your home screen of your new class. Now it is time to add students to this class. Go to manage and assign at the top, go to class details. Okay, and then you need to add students. So I click on this one right here where it says add students. And here you have different search engines. I find it's also often helpful to select the grade I want, which is grade 5, and I'm going to search for them. But you might have to use different filters trying to find all your students. All right, so here I see a list, and I'm going to make sure I have all of them. I'm going to select them, and then I'm going to save it. Okay, once you have them all selected and you press save, and you might have to go through this process again until you actually have all of your students in this list. And then you can change whatever their teaching level is to whatever you want. You can find their passwords here. You can print temporary passwords. Remember, whenever you print a temporary password, you don't know what the password is. They have to change it. So anyway, you now need to actually give them the content. So you go to the home page by clicking up here and Connect Ed. I've already opened it up here. And then I go to Assign Content right here. Okay, so then I click the content I want to assign, which is the Student Wonders Edition. I have 18 seats available. I go next. And then I'm going to go search for my class name that I just created, 2021, and I'm going to go search. When that comes up, I'm going to make sure they're all the ones I want to do. Click this so that they're all there. Then I'm going to click next. And then you click assign and you have finished this project. So I hope that makes sense. I hope you are able to add your students. Have fun with it and wishing you all the best.